So we got this beautiful 2013 Ford Explorer. This is an oil cooler based engine, non-turbo 3.5 liter. It's here for a rebuild, and we are going to perform a beautiful rebuild. One, as this customer came on for 3 different references. One is Google to two of our customers. So they trust us. They don't want to scrap this 2013. They want to put the new engine. We are going to put a new engine with 1-year warranty. So if you guys do have any of the Explorers, you want to change the engine, because this is a beautiful truck. If you're going outside for 2-3 days, this is the luxurious one. It comes with all features inside, like backup cameras and smart trunk from the back. Like a lot of different other amenities are inside this beautiful SUV. Doesn't matter it's 2013 or 2022 or 2025. This is a beautiful one. So if you want to fix your Explorer rather than throwing it for scrap for $500-600, feel free to set up your appointment with us. We'll be happy to help you out. On to the next car. By the way, welcome to MRIK Auto. So we finally got everything regarding this LA3 2017, the one we take off from the Silverado 5.3 liter. That's the LS. Very first one we rebuilt. So the block is already resurfaced from all 3 sides, even the top ones. So here is a OEM gasket for this thing. So it's a complete kit. Includes, we order the oil pump too. That's the notorious thing for this LS motors. Customer, they special request, they want to change it. So in order to make it complete done from top to bottom, we change it. And we got another little parts. Guides are here. We got seals. And we also do have all the lifters from GM, if you see there. So everything on this specific LS, we put from a GM, or the couple of other ones we put from our own confident German supplier. They do make the same LX, a lot of gaskets. So that's what we use. We mostly use the L-rings or Victor rings. That's the best ones we trust on. So it's for our theory. We put some of the one we are doubtful on the GM parts, we replace with that one. That's hands-on experience on this brand for us. And other thing, the heads are already ready. So these are already cut down, and we just doing the wall lapping. It's hard because a lot of carbon is built here, if you can see right here. So these holes, they are coming with a lot of carbon. This is already 4 hours now. He just did the 4 valves. So it's going to be a while to make it ready. After that, we're going to wash it, and then finally we're going to put it on the block. Stay tuned for more update. We will show you what is the next step for that. On to the next step. All right, guys, so we got this beautiful 2016 X1, and this came straight from the dealership. This got a problem with the misfiring, and we currently check it half of the way, but we are in the process, and this need a firmware update. So this customer went to dealership. He said he wanted a firmware update on this special 2016 X1, and the dealership denied it, and they just give a rough estimate, like they want to charge this customer $600-700 Canadian plus taxes, just to let this customer know what's exactly wrong with the car. So that doesn't make any sense to our customer. Like, he was so upset. He just towed up this car here, and now we are going to take care of this, because if we see your car comes under any of the recalls or any maintenance done by dealership with a no cost or bare minimum cost, we always recommend our customer to take it to the dealership. But this time, this customer is strictly disappointed with the local dealership here, and he make a decision to tow it to our shop. So now we are going to work on this car, and we'll update you step by step what exactly wrong with this car. It's a 4-cylinder engine on this car, X1. So we'll update you. On to the next car. La magia la tienes tú, la magia '88 Chevy Blazer S10. You know this truck from almost 2 years. We are making a couple of pictures, videos about this. We did a multiple works on this truck. We did the interior, seats, headliner, bunch of more things, seat belts. This customer wants extra premium things. So from the inner, it's almost done. Now it comes to the outer side. This customer, you want to put the rear differential, the heavier one. So we got a heavy differential for the back. So you see this leaf springs, they're all open wide. And we are going to take this axle apart and put the heavier on this one because he's going to switch up the system with the LS motor on it. So before we're going to switch with the LS, make sure the suspension going to be top notch on it. So that's what we're going to do. Stay tuned. On to the next car. So we got another Liquimoli services booked up for January. If you want your spots, give us a call. You see this? Even on the Chevy Cruze, we goes with the Liquimoli because this car, before it came up with a lot of problems with the wall covers, oil filter housing on this one. This is turbo. Do not play around with your turbo cars. If you have any of the turbo, doesn't matter if it's German or American. If you try to put a conventional or in a turbo car, they're going to burn it. So this customer, they put the money on this engine to make it back alive, which was way cheaper than a brand new car. That's the first Liquimoli, and let me tell you, we got this beautiful 2009. That's a V6 Mercedes, earlier 6-cylinder engines. Now C-Class comes with 4 cylinders. So we are going to put this 540 in it. That's what it takes. It's take almost a liter of oil. So don't surprise if you have 2009 C300. It's expensive oil change if you want to go with the Liquimoli. If you want more of your services done by MRIK Auto, book our appointments. Stay tuned with us. All right, so here we got this 2015 BMW Passat. It's a TDI. So the basic problem for 2013, 14, and 15 VW TDIs are, if you're not driving on highways frequently, the knock sensor got choked. So all the DEF system on this thing is messed up. We are going to fix it, and we're going to regenerate this engine a couple of times to clean up the system. So then the customer going to have this with a full power. Right now, this car is in the limp mode. It doesn't go more than 60 kilometers. So if you do have any of the diesel engine cars, newer ones, equipped with a DEF system, diesel exhaust fluid system, do not drive just local. Go on the highway almost 3 to 4 times a week for at least 10 to 15 minutes so that your system on exhaust one stays like fit and fine, clean. That's what we're going to do. We're going to change a couple of sensors from the top, knock sensor, and then we're going to put this car on a region before handing over to the customer. That's what this car needed. And we're going to go to the next car. All right, so we're wrapping up with the 2015 CRV. That's a 2.4 liter Oro engine from Honda. That's one of the toughest and reliable engines. So this is notoriously common for this year for a high pressure pump failure. This is a pump which makes your fuel coming from the tank from 50 psi to 3000 psi. So this one is cutting down. So what happened exactly is when this stops working, your car goes in a limp mode due to a low oil supply, fuel supply to the engine. So if you guys do have any of the limp mode problem in your Hondas, give us a call, book your appointment. We're happy to help you out. Also, this we tell the customer about the wall cover leak, which is so common on the Honda, and we're going to fix this one too. By the way, this customer came in for the first time, and they just checked with our best friend Google, and they came first time, and they told me like, whatever the thing's going to be on the car, we trust you, put it on. And that's what we're going to do. MRIK Auto going to make sure this car going to be in a safe mode when you're traveling with your family. Give us a call, book your appointment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.